Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the exact inputs your car screen accepts so you don't waste time. Identify whether you'll use wired CarPlay, Android Auto, HDMI, or a dedicated GPS module, and gather the matching cable or adapter. Once done, disconnect the battery to avoid shorts and locate the head unit harness behind the dash. Make sure you have vehicle-specific removal tools and the wiring harness adapter. This is why we prepared the guide. It speeds up correct pin mapping and prevents accidental wire damage. Next, route and connect the GPS source to the head unit carefully so signals remain clean. If using your phone, plug in the correct USB cable, enable CarPlay or Android Auto in phone settings, and grant location and USB permissions. You should see the interface load on screen. If installing a dedicated GPS module, mount the antenna with clear sky view, connect power and ground to the harness, and tie the module's data output to the head unit input, making sure to secure and insulate every connection. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on the head unit while watching boot messages. This confirms the system recognizes the GPS source. Open your navigation app, wait for satellite lock, verify voice guidance works, and run a route to confirm real-time updates. Make sure map orientation and screen calibration match your vehicle. If things go wrong, check the fuse and power lines first. Then reseat all harness connectors and confirm the phone or module has location permissions. These fixes solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.